Potatoes are a versatile and widely consumed vegetable that can be part of a healthy diet when prepared in a nutritious manner. Here are some key points about the nutritional value and health considerations related to potatoes. Nutritional content. Potatoes are a good source of complex carbohydrates, particularly starch. They also provide dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and some other vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. The primary macronutrient in potatoes is carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are mainly in the form of starch, which provides energy. Fiber. Potatoes contain dietary fiber, particularly in the skin. Fiber is important for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Vitamins. Potatoes are a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that supports the immune system and skin health. They also contain vitamin B6, which is important for various metabolic processes. Minerals. Potatoes are relatively high in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Low in fat and calories. Potatoes are naturally low in fat and calories. However, the way you prepare them can significantly impact their calorie and fat content. Healthy preparation. To maximize the nutritional benefits of potatoes, it's recommended to prepare them in a healthy way. Baking, boiling, or steaming potatoes without excessive amounts of added fats or oils is a good choice. Unhealthy preparations. Frying potatoes in oil or smothering them in butter and cheese can add a substantial amount of unhealthy fats and calories, which should be consumed in moderation. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to specific proteins found in potatoes, which can result in skin rashes or other allergic reactions. This is relatively rare. Balanced diet. Potatoes can be part of a balanced diet when consumed along with a variety of other foods, such as lean proteins, vegetables, and fruits. Portion control. As with any food, portion control is important to maintain a balanced diet. Eating an excessive amount of potatoes can lead to overconsumption of calories and carbohydrates. In summary, potatoes are a nutritious and versatile food that can be part of a balanced diet. However, it's essential to consider how they are prepared and consumed. Healthy cooking methods and portion control are crucial for getting the most benefit from this vegetable while maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet.